Very good morning to everyone. In this lecture, CS8601 mobile computing. Today, we are going to talk about the topic wireless transport layer security. That is a WTTLS protocols. So, the wireless transport layer security can be integrated into the wireless application protocol architecture on the top of wireless datagram protocol. So, it support the datagram and connection oriented transport layer protocols, and it based on the transport layer security and also the session layer security protocols. So it provide different level of securities for privacy and also the data integrity authentications, and now the optimized for low bandwidth and high data bearer networks, taking into account low processing power and limited memory capacity before the data can be exchanged via wireless transport layer system security. Secure session has been established. Both originated as per can interrupt the session at any time. The steps in the sequence establishment and step one, negation of the security parameters and suited and initiate the session with security of source address and source port and destination address and destination port and also the key exchange site and compression methods. So the peer answer with the parameters of sequence number, mode, and keyboard, key reference cycle, session identifier, key exchange suite, so compression mode, so any other. So now here the presentation, uh, in this wireless transport layer security, it services between the mobile device client, that is a user friendly application of subscribers, and the wide and then wireless application protocol gateway. So the transport layer security is based on the industrial standard transport layer security protocol. It is a refinement of secure socket layer, that is SSL protocols. So the transport layer security is a standard security protocol used between the web browser and also the web servers. Now we can move to the wireless transport layer security features. So this is data integrity, one of the features. It uses the message authentication to ensure that the data between the client and the gateway are not modified. So the privacy, it uses encryption to ensure that the data can be ready for third party. The authentication, it used data digital certificates to authenticate the two parties, that is a client and also the server. Another one is a denial of service protection, that is a detects and reject the message that are replaced or are not successfully. And then the wireless transport layer service session, security sessions and connections. We are going to connections. The secure connection means connection is a transport that provide a suitable type of services. So what is services? That is a SSL, and such connections are peer-to-peer relationship. The connections are transient, so the every connection is associated with one session. So the secured sessions and is a secured security layers session is associated between the client and the server. The session are created by a handshake protocols, that is a session defined as a cryptographic security parameters which can be shared among the multiple connections. The session are used to avoid the expensive negation of the new security parameter for each connections. Now we can move the wireless transport layer security protocol architecture. Here the protocol architecture stack operations. Here now we can see there is a two different protocol architectures had there. That is a wireless transport layer security record protocol. The record protocol takes user data from the next higher layer, that is a transportation protocol, transportation layer security and handshake protocol, alert protocol and change cyberspace protocols and encapsulate these data in the PDU. So the changes of Clippers this protocol, it associated with the current transaction in the chipper space with specified to ensure the encryption algorithm. Now the alert protocol, we have to see the WTLS alert protocols. Protocol is used to convey the transport layer security related alerts to the peer entity. As with the other application that was WTLS and alert message are compressed and encrypted as specified by the current state. Now the next one is a handshake protocol. The most complex part of the transport layer security is the handshake protocol. And this protocol allows the server and client to authenticate each other. So the negation to encryption and MAC algorithm and the cryptographic used to key used it by the protect data send it transportation layers security record. Now we can move to the cryptographic algorithm. So this is two different categories. That is authentications in the transportation layer security is carried out with certificates. The authentication can occur either between the client and the server, or when the client only authenticate the server. The latter procedure can happen only if the server allowed it occur. The server can require the client to authenticate itself to the server. The key exchange, the purpose of the wireless transport layer security protocol is for the client and the server to generate a mutual shared pre-master key. This key is then used to generate a master key as explained in subsequently. So this is the main algorithm of using the security issues, security of cryptographic to exchange the key, that is client to server, and to mutually share the pre-master keys to allocate the whole entire routing and also the security purpose in the one autonomous area to another autonomous area. So the client, that is the client, it can be visible in any other autonomous area, like just like that the autonomous zone. I will say multiple mobile node, it can be send a roaming in different Broadway gateway protocols. So we can need the security in the transportation. We can send the packets in the cryptographic algorithm methodology to produce the output of the client authentications to the server and also the receiver. Now we can move to the pseudo random function, that is a PRF. So the PRF is used for a number of purpose in transportation layer security. The pseudo random functions PRF take as input a security value, a seed, and an identifying the label and the procedure, an output of the arbitrary length. Now once again I will repeat the transportation layer services. So the wireless transportation layer security, it is one of the best security services between the mobile device and also the gateway protocols. So the security is based industry standard transportation layer security, with refinement of the secure socket layer protocol. And also the futures, it is a data integrity techniques, and also the privacy and authentications signature of two digital certificates of two parties, and a denial of service protection to detect and reject the messages they are replaced or not successfully. And also the WTLS sessions and connections, that is a secure connection and secure sessions. The record with the transport layer security protocol is accessing the record protocol, and also the change cyber specific protocols to associated with the current transaction in the cyber specific with the specified encryption algorithms. So now today session we completely discussed in this wireless transportation layer security protocol. Thank you for attending this session. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you so much.